This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to calibrate your Simonelli coffee grinder. First, familiarize yourself with your grinder's adjustment knob, which controls the fineness of your coffee grounds. It is crucial to always make grind adjustments while the grinder motor is running to avoid jamming the burrs. Begin by setting your grinder to a medium fine setting as a good starting point for espresso, which is often indicated on the knob itself. Now let's fine-tune your grind. To achieve a finer grind, rotate the adjustment knob clockwise. For a coarser grind, turn it counterclockwise. Remember to make very small adjustments, usually just 1 or 2 notches at most. After each change, grind and discard about 10 to 15 grams of coffee to clear the grinding chamber of the previous setting, ensuring accurate results for your next shot. For the perfect espresso, your goal is an extraction time between 25 and 30 seconds for a double shot. If your espresso extracts too quickly, your grind is too coarse, so adjust it finer. If it extracts too slowly, your grind is too fine, so adjust it coarser. Always use a scale to ensure a consistent dose, typically 18 grams of coffee for a standard double shot. Maintaining your grinder is key for consistent results. Regularly clean your grinder to prevent the buildup of old coffee oils and grounds, which can affect flavor and performance. Always store your fresh coffee beans in an airtight container away from light and heat. Make it a habit to monitor your espresso shot times daily, making small, incremental adjustments to your grind as needed to account for changes in beans or humidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.